Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys where I got everything. I got this like furry throw blanket from Marshalls. I got these two throw pillows from Marshalls as well. This one was from Forever 21. That gray little throw pillow came in like my gray duvet set at Target. These three pillows are from Target as well. They're the biggest ones they have. I think they're called Euro pillows. And then in the back is just the regular pillows that came with the quilted bedding set that I got from Marshalls as well. The curtains are from, I want to say, Ross. I forgot. I got them a long time ago. Or no, actually it was from Walmart. They're from Walmart. And they look so ugly from up there, but it's okay. I'm thinking of getting the blackout curtains because I don't really like when the light comes in with these sheer ones. So yeah. And then over here, it's just my husband's dresser. And then I have my baby's picture frames on there, and then our TV. And then over here I just have my Louis Vuitton little boxes in the Gucci box, just because I'm in love with that little bougie look. That lamp was from Target. I wanted to purposely get it with an outlet on it because I really like to charge my phone while I'm right next to the bed. In here, this I got at Ross. And then I had all my lotions and my perfumes in like a little box, but I didn't like it because it was on the floor and my son kept going in there and grabbing them. I'm sure he's still gonna do that now, but I thought it looked cuter like this. And I just have my favorite candle. It's the black cherry merlot from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. I got this rose, like fake roses, from TJ Maxx. No, actually, no, I got it from Home Goods a long time ago. If you guys looked at my previous room post or room videos, you'll see this one on there. Over here, I have just the Chanel box that came with the perfume. I really love this perfume. And then I have my Versace perfume. And then this is such a throwback, this Britney Spears perfume, but I still like it. And that's that. I got this little box at, or I don't know what this is called, but I got it at Forever 21 a long time ago. I'm not sure if they still have it. My vanity is from Impressions. And then my little brush holder is from, I want to say, TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I forgot. You guys are sleeping on Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross, because they have like everything that you need for room decor and for just a cheap price. And then I need to clean my brushes for sure. I would show you guys what I have in here, but it's such a mess. I'd probably do a vanity or a what's in my vanity video. My desk is from IKEA as well, and it was such a pain in the ass to build. IKEA things are such a pain in the ass to build. Over here I have my candles, and I am obsessed with candles. I really love this mahogany teakwood one because it smells like a man, like a guy cologne. And then my black cherry merlot, and then A Thousand Wishes. It doesn't really smell like anything, honestly. I wouldn't recommend that one. And then over here I just have my purses. And then that's pretty much it. Over here is just my diaper, my son's diaper trash can, and then a fan because it gets really hot in my room. But yep, so I just wanted to show you guys what I did here. This was my closet, but I just took out the sliding doors and I just made it like a little space to put my vanity in, which was the smartest idea because I had nowhere else to put my vanity, and I decided to just put it in there, make some room. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick how I made my California king bed fit into my small little room, including my vanity. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video, and sorry for being so MIA. I'm so bad at posting videos. I guess I just have no time to do it, and my son's with his grandma right now, so I had time to make a video in my room. And yep, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know down below what you guys would want me to post. I have like no ideas, so if you guys can give me some suggestions, that would be great. All right, have a good night.
Bye.